Replacing windows is one of the most valuable upgrades a homeowner can make, but the quality of the windows alone isn't enough to guarantee long-term performance. How replacement windows are installed plays a critical role in how well they function, how long they last, and how comfortable the home feels. For homeowners in Pell City, proper window installation is essential for achieving lasting performance, energy efficiency, and peace of mind. Why installation quality matters. Even the best replacement windows can underperform if they aren't installed correctly. Poor alignment, inadequate sealing, or improper insulation can lead to drafts, water intrusion, and premature wear. These issues often don't appear immediately, but they can cause long-term damage over time. In Pell City homes, where windows must handle both heat and cooler seasonal conditions, proper installation ensures windows perform as designed. Precise measurements create a perfect fit. Every home is unique, and window openings may not be perfectly square due to settling or age. Proper installation begins with accurate measurements to ensure the replacement window fits snugly within the opening. For Pell City homeowners, precise fitting eliminates gaps that could allow air or moisture to enter, protecting both the window and surrounding structure. Effective sealing prevents air and water leaks. Sealing is one of the most important steps in window installation. High-quality sealants and weatherproofing materials create a barrier that blocks air and water from entering the home. In Pell City, proper sealing helps prevent drafts during cooler periods and keeps hot, humid air outside during warmer months, maintaining consistent indoor comfort. Proper insulation supports energy efficiency. Insulation around the window frame plays a major role in energy performance. Proper installation includes insulating the space between the window and the wall to reduce heat transfer. For Pell City homeowners, this insulation helps lower energy bills and reduces strain on heating and cooling systems. Structural support protects window integrity. Replacement windows must be properly supported to maintain alignment and smooth operation. Incorrect installation can cause windows to shift or sag over time. Proper installation techniques ensure windows remain square and stable, helping Pell City homeowners avoid operational issues and costly repairs. Moisture management extends window lifespan. Moisture is one of the biggest threats to window longevity. Proper installation includes flashing and drainage methods that direct water away from the window opening. In Pell City homes, effective moisture management prevents rot, mold, and structural damage, extending the life of both the window and the home. Smooth operation and daily comfort. Windows that are installed correctly open, close, and lock smoothly. Proper alignment reduces stress on moving parts, minimizing wear over time. For Pell City homeowners, smooth operation enhances daily comfort and reliability. Long-term durability and reduced maintenance. When replacement windows are installed properly, they experience less stress from temperature changes and daily use. This reduces the likelihood of seal failure, frame damage, and hardware issues. In Pell City, homeowners benefit from fewer maintenance concerns and longer-lasting window performance. Professional installation makes the difference. Professional installers follow proven methods to ensure replacement windows are installed correctly from the start. Their experience helps identify potential challenges and address them before problems arise. For Pell City homeowners, professional installation provides confidence that windows will perform well for years to come. A smart investment for Pell City homes. Proper installation is the foundation of long-lasting window performance. By ensuring accurate fitting, effective sealing, and strong support, homeowners protect their investment and enhance comfort. For Pell City residents, choosing proper installation for replacement windows is a smart decision that delivers reliable performance, energy savings, and lasting value.